Welcome in this new video. This time I will show you 5 animals with scary mouths. In the animal kingdom, there are countless types of mouths, filled with sharp teeth, suction cup-like and lacking jaws altogether, with monstrous openings, or so bizarre that they seem to come from a science fiction movie. In this video, you will see 5 animals with terrifying jaws that will really leave you open-mouthed. Stay glued to the screen because the first place goes to an animal you wouldn't expect. 5. Goblin shark. We are quite familiar with sharks and their scary, lethal jaws, but the goblin shark is even more peculiar. It has a tremendously elongated and flattened snout, but the strangest feature is its jaw. Equipped with small, sharp teeth in the front to grasp fish and flatter teeth in the back to crush mollusks, it can extend forward. When the prey is close enough, the goblin shark snaps its jaw forward to seize and devour it. The execution speed is impressive and leaves no chance for its victims. Although there have been no recorded attacks by this species on humans, it's better not to get too close to them. 4. Lamprey. In this ranking, the lamprey couldn't be missing with its terrifying mouth. It lacks a jaw and is suction-shaped, but what should worry you the most is something else. The walls of its mouth are armed with numerous frightening teeth. But it doesn't end there. Even its tongue is equipped with tiny sharp teeth. And what does it do with all these pointed teeth? It attaches to fish like a suction cup, bites its victims, and feeds as a parasite on their blood. It spends its existence moving from one host to another, hitching rides and sucking their fluids. It's better not to swim near these little creatures. 3. Basking shark. It's the second largest fish in the world, second only to the whale shark. Despite having frighteningly huge jaws, it has tiny hooked teeth, ranging from 3 to 6 millimeters, and is harmless to humans. In fact, this large shark feeds on plankton, a collection of algae and tiny animals. Swimming just below the water's surface with its mouth wide open, this fish takes in large amounts of water. With its large gills, it filters all this water, trapping tiny food particles. Moving at a constant speed of 2 knots per hour, an adult elephant shark can filter 9,000 liters of water in an hour. Occasionally, its mouth closes, the gill slits narrow, and the shark swallows a mouthful. On average, the stomach of one of these fish can hold half a ton of eggs, small fish, and crustacean larvae. Although it's harmless, encountering it with its jaws wide open must be quite frightening. 2. Sarcastic French head. Certainly, a fish with a name and appearance that are quite unusual. Although it usually measures less than 10 inches, it is fearless and extremely aggressive. In fact, this fish is highly territorial and will attack anyone who approaches its burrow, including scuba divers. Its bite may not be the most dangerous, but its distinctive feature is the enormous opening of its mouth, resembling an umbrella. Yet it reminds me of someone. They have specially designed jaws that fan open laterally, making them appear larger and more menacing. The purpose is to intimidate the opponent and drive them away. If the challenger is another sarcastic French head, they will kiss each other by aggressively pressing their open mouths against each other until one of them gives up and swims away. Nature can be quite strange at times. Before we find out who's in first place, remember to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss future content. And now, let's discover the top spot. 1. Leatherback turtle. Terrifying jaws that appear to come from some alien species. However, it's just a simple turtle. As you can see, its mouth is full of small spiky structures resembling thorns. These are called papillae, and what's impressive is that these papillae are also present in the animal's throat and along the entire length of its esophagus. They aren't actual teeth but rather cartilaginous outgrowths, so they are softer. These papillae allow the turtle to feed on its favorite food, jellyfish. But how does it do it? The spiky structures literally grip the jellyfish it's eating and ensure they don't slip back while the turtle uses the muscles in its throat to expel excess salt water. As you can imagine, jellyfish don't go down without a fight, so how does it avoid getting stung? It's thanks to its esophageal papillae, which also protect it from the painful stinging cells of the jellyfish. So, these cartilaginous spikes prevent the turtle from being harmed by its prey. Truly an amazing adaptation. This concludes our quick ranking of the most terrifying jaws. Write in the comments which one impressed you the most, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Thanks for watching. See you soon, in the next video.